A Plumply Dumply Pumpkin, written by Mary Serfozo, retold by Brandon in room 205. Peter needs a pumpkin for a pumpkin contest. Peter was not looking for a lumpy, lopsided pumpkin. Peter was looking for a good, nice, round pumpkin that he finally found. Then he carried it home. Then he thought, pumpkin pie, pumpkin pickles, pumpkin pudding, pumpkin stew. He starts working fast. Then he makes a face. What is Peter trying to make? Read Plumply Dumply Pumpkin in the library to find out what happens next.